In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to fix the frustrating yellow screen issue on your Samsung device. Many Samsung users have experienced this problem, where their display appears tinted with a yellow hue. But don't worry, there are simple steps you can take to resolve this issue and restore the natural colors on your screen. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Display. So now what you want to do next is turn off the iComfort shield. If you have the iComfort shield turned on, that's what's causing your screen to have a yellow hue because this feature filters out blue light emanating from your display. To turn off the iComfort shield, simply toggle off this switch over here. Now your phone display should go back to normal as it was originally. But if you still have that yellow hue, then let's move on to the next solution. Go back to the main settings page and then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Accessibility. After that, tap Visibility Enhancements. And then scroll down a bit and tap Color Correction. Sometimes color correction may cause your screen to appear yellow. So to turn off color correction, simply toggle off this switch over here. Hopefully, now you won't have the yellow screen issue on your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.